At Summit Services, we understand that a clean and well-maintained pool makes your home more enjoyable and relaxing. Our experienced technicians are dedicated to keeping your pool safe, clear, and ready whenever you want to swim. Our pool cleaning services in Bluffton, South Carolina are designed to keep your pool sparkling while protecting your equipment and water quality. Proper pool care requires consistent attention to water chemistry and filtration systems. Our team carefully monitors chemical levels to ensure the water stays balanced and safe for swimming. Regular cleaning helps prevent algae growth, debris buildup, and cloudy water. We remove leaves, vacuum the pool, and maintain the filtration system to keep everything running smoothly. Every pool is different, which is why we tailor our maintenance approach to your specific setup. From residential pools to larger backyard systems, we provide dependable service you can trust. Call 843-836-2653 or visit callsummitservices.com/swimming-pools. Summit Services, keeping your pool clean, clear, and ready to enjoy.